Akshay Kumar is an Indian actor, born on September 9, 1967 in Amritsar, Punjab. Akshay Kumar was born as name Rajesh Raryanbasha to a Punjabi family. His father was Akshay Kumar was born in Amritsar, in a Punjabi family. His father was a government employee. Kumar was then raised in Delhi before moving to Mumbai where he studied at Don Bosco School and then Guru Nanak Khalsa College. He studied martial arts in Bangkok and worked as a chef. He then came back to Mumbai, where he started teaching martial arts. One of his students recommended him to do modeling, and a few modeling assignments later, Kumar was offered a role in the film Theatre, 1992, and to as the lead actor! India's single quote's most versatile actor, Akshay Kumar, is set to reunite with Rowdy Rathore producer Sanjay Leela Bhansali in their new venture Gabbar. Akshay will star in the lead role in Gabbar, the remake of the successful Tamil film Ramana, 2002. The box office breaking duo hit the elite 100 crore benchmark in 2012 with Rowdy Rathore. Akshay's involvement in his film projects such as Special Shagai's most recently Hack proved him not only to be worthy of his successes but demonstrates his ability to perfect every genre of film that he stars in behind the camera. Akshay is